Good morning to everybody. So today what we are going to discuss? Today we are going to discuss about the profit and loss. Okay. Suppose if you are planning to buy or sell something. So immediately what it will come into your mind? Yes, whether you will get a profit or loss. If suppose if you are selling something also, suppose if you are buying something also. So what will you think? So we have to get a profit. We have to get a profit. Am I right? Okay. Now, suppose if you attain a profit, then you can able to find the profit percentage. If suppose if you are attain a loss, then you can able to find the loss percentage. Am I right here? Okay. Today I will give some formula. Already I think so. Already I given, but anyway I will give you one more time. Then profit that is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit that is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. Then loss that is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Here selling price will be greater than the cost price. Here in this cost price is greater than the selling price. Am I right here? After that, profit percentage. Profit percentage means what? Profit by CP. CP means what? Cost price into 100%. Then loss percentage means loss by CP into 100%. Loss by CP into 100%. Then there is a relation between profit percentage, selling price and cost price. That is selling price that is equal to 1 plus P by 100. This P by 100 means profit percentage. That is selling price equal to 1 plus P by 100 into cost price. If suppose if there is loss percentage given, then selling price is equal to 1 minus L by 100 into cost price. That is loss relation between loss percentage, profit, loss percentage, selling price and cost price. Are you getting here? So these 6 formula we will use to find the profit or loss, profit percentage, loss percentage. Here these 2 formulas is the relation between the profit percentage, selling price and cost price. It is a relation between selling price, loss percentage and cost price. Am I right here? Yes. Now I move to the exercise 8.3, question number 1. Exercise 8.3, question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. Exercise 8.3. Am I right? Exercise 8.3, question number 1. First part. Here what it is given? Gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. That is, cost price is given that rupees 250 and sold it for rupees 325. I think so. Yes, 325. You have to find whether it is a profit or loss, and then after that you have to find if it is a profit, find the profit percentage. If it is a loss, then find the loss percentage. Okay. Here, selling price is more than the cost price. Selling price is what? Greater than the cost price. So, obviously, he made a profit. So, then profit that is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. What is the selling price here? Rupees 325. What is the cost price here? Rupees 250. Then what is the difference? Rupees 75. Rupees 75. This is the profit amount. This is the profit. P means profit. SP means selling price. CP means what? Cost price. Now you have to find the profit percentage. So profit percentage equal to what? Profit by CP into 100%. Am I right here? Yes. Profit is what? 75. What is the cost price? 250 into 100%. That means 325 are 75. Am I right? Then 1025 are 150. 325 are 75, 1025 are 150. 0, 0 you can cancel. So 3 into 10, 30 percentage he made a profit on it. How much percentage? 30 percentage. Are you getting here? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? What is the next part? It is given a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. And refrigerator bought it for 12,000. That is cost price. It is given that cost price is given that 12,000 and sold it for rupees how much? 13,500 I think so. Yes, 13,500. Selling price is 13,500. Here that selling price is what? More than the cost price. So he made a profit on it. Then profit that is equal to selling price minus cost price. That means rupees 13,500 minus rupees 12,000. So what will be the profit? Profit is rupees, yes, 1,500. 1,500. Are you getting here? Now what you have to do? You have to find the profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100 percentage. So profit is 1,500. Cost price is 12,000 into 100 percentage. Am I right here? Now strike out the equal number of zeros now. 1 0 1 0 you can cancel. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 50, 1 2 2s are 4, 25, 25 by 2 percentage, which is equal to 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage. So he made profit percentage is what? 12.5 percentage. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. The next question is, it is given a skirt bought for rupees 250 and it sold it for rupees 150. What is the third part? Skirt bought it for rupees 250. That means what? Cost price. That means what? Cost price. What is the cost price given? 250 and sold it for rupees 150. Cost price is 250 and sold it for rupees 150. So what will be the here they made a profit or loss. Here the cost price is more than the selling price. Cost price is more than the selling price. So here they attend loss. Then loss equal to what? Cost price minus selling price. Cost price is what? It is given that rupees 250. Selling price is what? Rupees 150. So rupees 250 minus 150 is what? Rupees 100. Then loss percentage. Loss percentage means what? Loss by CP into 100 percentage. So what is loss? Rupees 100. Cost price is what? 250 into 100 percentage. Strike out 0 0. Then 125 is 25, 425 is 100, 4 into 10. So they attain 40 percentage loss. They attain 40 percentage loss. Are you getting it here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Now a cupboard bought for rupees 2,500 and sold at rupees 3,000. A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500. That means what? Cost price is given. What it is given? Cost price is given. It is the fourth part subdivision. It is third subdivision. It is given. Cost price is what? How much it is given for you? Yes, 2,500. Cost price is rupees 2,500 and that selling price, and it sold at rupees 3,000. Rupees 3,000. So here selling price is what? More than the cost price. Selling price is what? More than the cost price. So then profit that is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is what? Rupees 3000, and then cost price is what? Rupees 2500. So 3500 minus 2500 is what? Rupees 500. So he made a profit of rupees 500. So what is the profit percentage? Profit by CP into 100 percentage. Profit by CP into 100 percentage. What is the profit amount? Profit amount is 500. What is the cost price? 2500 into 100 percentage. Now strike out here. 125 is 25. 25 is 500. Am I right? So then he made 20 percentage profit on this transaction. He made 20 percentage profit on this transaction. Are you getting there? Yes. In the next video, so we will solve the question number 2. Thank you everybody. Thank you.